In this question, you have to point out from where the secondary xylem and phloem in dicot stem are produced. Option A, apical meristems. It is incorrect because apical meristems, which are located at the tips of roots and shoots, are responsible for the primary growth, but they do not produce secondary xylem and phloem. Option B, vascular cambium. Now, the vascular cambium is the lateral meristem that produces the secondary xylem, that is the wood, on the inner side, and the secondary phloem on the outer side in the dicot stem. And this is very needed for the secondary growth, that is, increase in girth. Hence, this is the correct option. Option C, axillary meristems. This is incorrect because axillary meristems are located in the axils of the leaves and are not responsible for the formation of branches or flowers, so no secondary vascular tissues are needed. Option D, phloem. It is also incorrect. Phloem, also known as cork cambium, is another type of lateral meristem, but it produces peridarn, that is cork and phelodon for protection, but not secondary xylem and phloem.